Welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to show you, my people, the current price of all these our current popular foodstuffs we use in our kitchen every day. We eat rice every day, right? It's a staple food in Nigeria, not even Nigeria, all over the world. So we have varieties of basmati rice, different brands and different prices. I just thought to show you guys here on what the current price of this staple food is. In this video, I'll be showing you current prices of the things we regularly use in our kitchen that we cook every day. You be a good cook or an average cook, a beginner in the kitchen, these are the prices of things that are current prices of things that you would see in the market. I bring you here on information and educate you. So this is just the price of our rice. We have our local rice and our foreign rice, and we equally have our basmati rice in different kgs. We have 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg, and 50 kg. So these are the prices of the rice we have in the store. Out of curiosity, I went to pick up something. I thought to myself, let me show my people what the current price of this our rice is. So as it is, so anyone that your pocket fits in, this is not one size fits all. If you want small size, you get it there. If you want foreign rice, it is here, and if you want your international rice, it is equally here in different packs, shapes and sizes. We have ranges from 29,000, 13,000, 50,000, 40,000, and a 50 kg bag of rice presently is 90,000 naira. And we have about 5 kg of this my favorite, by the way, is L'Aquila. L'Aquila is going for 22,000 naira for a 10 kg bag, and we have here on the ones of 11,000, 13,000, 15,000, and the likes. It just depends on what kind of rice you like to have. And I'm recommending, it's not a paid advert anyway, I'm recommending L'Aquila because it is white. And then so now with section we have our macaroni, our spaghetti, different brands, golden penny, Honeywell, depends on your preference, the one you want. This one I noticed that it is not as full as it used to be again. That piqued my curiosity. What would have gone wrong? Will you say it's economy, or be the price has increased and the quantity has reduced? Why is that so? I don't know. We have Honeywell here, macaroni. So if you don't want to do the golden penny, you could go for Honeywell too. They are just the same size and the same price. And just look at it. I observed that it was small. I bought it about a month ago. It was full, so I don't know. But anyway, guys, this is just me observing here. This is the elbow macaroni. It's going for 1,150. I bought it last for 1,050 naira. Like they say, whatever goes up never comes down. And this small size is going for 560. Yay! Imagine. I never knew we had mini pasta. They are doing great things. They have their chin chin and their plantain chips. So they now have mini spaghetti. That's going for 1,150, just like Honeywell. So competition is very, very high. Filling themselves bumper to bumper. Yeah, just add me. I stumbled on it recently and I used it in my spaghetti, my noodles. If you don't want to slice and dice your carrots and your cabbages, you could just go for this easy peasy dry ingredients. You just pour into your sauce, into your spaghetti, your macaroni, and you're good to go. Now, popular penne pasta that caterers, chefs use. These are the international brands that we are very aware of. This is going for 1,650. Not bad. The price not bad. Barilla to spaghetti. I bought it last for 3,000 to 938. Surprisingly, when I say what goes up never comes down. Price of penne is going for 2,410. Last time I bought it, it was 2,300 naira. 110 difference. Yes. So what else do we have here? Yes, like I said, the basics, common things we use in our kitchen. Titus. And we have Festus Gesha. Gesha used to be 6 inside. Now we have 4. Just like the way our sardine 2 used to be 2. Now the 2 is not 20 anymore. Our Gesha, and so if you cannot afford Gesha, you go for Festus. Different prices, right, guys? So at least I made it easy for us. If you don't want to do sardine Titus, you do Top Choice. Different names have come out now. This is exactly you hear those days. You hear them. Even till now, you want original corned beef, you want fake corned beef. I know what they mean by fake and original. It just goes to show that this is Brazilian. This is where you say original. They are referring to Brazilian type of corned beef. It's quite on the high side. It's 4.2, I bought it for 3.8 last time. We equally have our different sour oil, our tomato paste. I never see one of these tomato for in-house tomato paste. I'll be showing you tomato paste in one of my videos very soon, how to make homemade tomato paste. Now we have Sonia. We have a variety of different tomato pastes, some in tin, some in sachet. Those are what you want to have. If you want to use the small one, I like the sachet because it's like use as you go. Once you open it, it's gone. 220 here. This one to that, competing bumper to bumper. We have our patch. This is now bunga of them. This one ups your game for your love. Wallah, you thank me later. If the up game not be small. Our Tommy Tasty Tom too is dragging corners with our Gino. This is a new one. I've not seen this one before, but it looks very pretty. The mother and child logo is quite appealing. They will now have other variety of tomato paste that I've not come across before, but I'm just showing you guys. You know, we have a Magical Saint Mary. The price is too fairly okay. We see we have Splendish. Which name? Saint Annie. 800. You know, I'm not a tin fan. I'm a sachet fan. You should do it as you go. Once you use one sachet, if you want 2-3 sachets, you use and get rid of it. But this tin, a lot of people don't know that it causes food poisoning if you let it stay in the tin. Once you open your tin, it's best for you to dispose it in a can, in a plate, in your freezer if you don't want to use it anymore. Yes, our oil. Like I say, I'm showing you here on all what we use in our kitchen every day. We have different varieties of oil: olive oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, groundnut oil. So this is just showing you guys the current price of our groundnut oil in the market. Everything don't go up. Groundnut oil is a new gold in the market. So in my house, that's why I advise you guys to buy an air fryer so that you can maximize portion your use of oil every time. So you don't have to use oil in the kitchen every time. You can just use your air fryer. That's why they do more. Now for this Nigeria would sense lesson 101. Look for things that would make your pockets manageable. We call you have our Kings here. Kings has been on and on and on for longest time I can remember, since I was a baby, and still pulling grounds. This is our 3 kgs and 14,900 naira. Mama Dotu is dragging with other brands. Power oil self is not left out. One is going for 15,850. Power oil used to be small before, but now the name is already big in the oil sector. We have our red oil. I use this Banga oil. I like it very much. It has increased. Last time I bought it for 13k. Now it's 14,000 naira. We have other varieties of red oil. Our seasoning cube. I'm showing you all what you use in the kitchen every day. Seasoning cube. We have our no chicken. We have our Maggi. I'm going to be a brand ambassador of one of these seasoning cubes very, very soon. From my mouth to God's ears. Our Maggi, our crayfish Maggi, our chicken Maggi, our Maggi powder, all variety of brands here. See what the price is going for. Our crayfish too. I use this one for my soups, and it ups the game in my pots. Here I was just thinking to myself that what else do I show my people again, or what do I bring to your table again? Or I have showed you rice, I've showed you peanut oil, I've showed you spaghetti or macaroni, I've equally showed you seasoning cube. What else can I show you that will be of interest to you? Oh, I stumbled on this Royco don't taste self. Royco too. I don't know why. I don't know how many of us still use Royco, but sometimes you use Royco. But I'm a Maggi die-hard fan. But Royco is not bad too. They're still holding their space in the market. I saw oil and more oil. Terra, Golden Terra. I know they used to do seasoning. Everybody they used to do oil. Now we bring this to your table too. They're still doing oil too. Golden Penny. So everybody Golden Penny used to do oil. I know they're doing spaghetti. I didn't know they used to do oil too. Our 25 litre is going for 119,000. But some people's school fees though, so people's house rent, and then they buy oil now. God help us. Our olive oil. Our coconut oil here is not left out. 20,800. This is not luxury oil. This one is a drop of oil that you use when you want to cook your food, because this one now healthy living. Healthy living is very expensive, by the way. So anyway, I've showed you guys what I have to show you guys. I hope I've been able to bring to your doorstep informative stuff here on. See that the wire. I bought basic things here. I came to buy something. I started branching to show you guys what I think would interest you guys. I really came here to buy cucumber and bread. The bread here is delish, Grand Square. The bread is very lovely. I come every time to buy their bread, and that's my baby boy there. my cousin's the son. I refer to him as my last born, my last card. Such a lovely boy.